How to run Android apps on PC without any emulator. So in this video, I will show you how you can run Android apps and play them on your PC without any Android emulator that you need to install. So in this case, what we can do is we need to head over to our browser and search for Windows subsystem for Android. From in there, just scroll down until you can find the GitHub page. Just head over and click on this. Now, once you can see in here we can see the Windows subsystem builds. So for this one, just scroll down and then you can see in here the project status and in here the operating system. Since I have a Windows 11, I'll choose Windows 11 option. But for this case, make sure to actually download the stable builds, which are the blue ones. Let's head over and choose in here the stable builds. You can click onto this right here. And then from in there, just scroll down to the very bottom until you can see the assets. Here we have the assets. Make sure to choose the one that says remove Amazon. Click onto this right here and then this will download this into your actual PC. So just wait for this to actually finish the download process. Now, once it's done downloading or while it's downloading, head over right here to your taskbar and then search in here for a specific app. Head over and search in here for turn Windows features on or off and head over and click on this open option right here or just click onto this particular app. From in there, you should be able to see this. So just scroll down into this part until you can see the actual Windows option right here that we need, which is the virtual machine. So if you can't find virtual machine, we have in here virtual machine platform. Make sure that this one is enabled and head over and click on OK. So it requires restart, so make sure to restart it once you're done. Now, once it's done downloading, you can see it right here. Just right click on it and make sure to extract it. Click onto this extract and then just wait for this to finish the extraction process. Once it's done extracting, you can head over and then just install it just like how you do on a normal application. So that's how you run Android apps on PC without any emulator. Hope we helped. And if it did help, let's head over and then go and feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. If you got a question, just drop it in the comments.